Welcome and thank you for joining me. Come on in. I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Today's video tip explores the question of how you can get your case dismissed without you getting a single dime. Now, why would I ask you to watch a video with that title? Well, it has to do with credibility. You see, when you bring a lawsuit, your credibility is the key. And if you tell a little white lie during the course of your litigation, there's a very good chance that your credibility will destroy your case, and your case will be dismissed without you getting a single dime. Once you set up a little white lie, what happens is your testimony gets recorded by a court reporter, usually at your deposition, a question and answer session. And that testimony is going to be used against you at the time of trial, so that if you contradict yourself later on, the defense attorney is going to show that you made a contradiction, and now they're going to turn to the jury and say, look, Mr. Smith told us one story a year ago, and now he's telling you a second story. Do you believe him? Is he credible? Let's turn it around and ask another question. Let's say you are asked the question of whether you've ever been convicted of a crime. And for our example, let's say you were convicted of a crime at some point and now you've lied about it. Well, you're thinking, what does my conviction years ago have to do with my particular accident or medical malpractice case? Well, the bottom line is it doesn't have anything to do with it, hopefully. But the fact that you have now lied about something that is so easily discoverable, the defense attorney is going to use that little white lie to show that you cannot tell the truth. And the jury is instructed that if you tell a lie about one particular thing, then the jury is entitled to disregard not just part of your testimony, but all of your testimony. So if they believe that you have lied about one particular part of your testimony, then the jury has the ability, under the law, to disregard everything you have said at trial. And that may get your case dismissed. And that's a problem. So telling that little white lie is going to destroy your credibility and most likely your case. And that's it for today's video tip about telling a little white lie and how it can destroy your case. I'm Gerry Oginski. I want to thank you for spending a few moments of your time with me. By the way, if you want more information about how lawsuits work, then I encourage you to click on my website here. It's oginski-law.com. Actually, clicking on it won't get you to it. You have to type in the URL address that's listed right below here. And if you have specific legal questions you'd like answered, then please pick up the phone and call me, because I can answer your legal questions at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. I want to thank you for joining me. Have a great day.